Toxic people to eradicate or get rid of from your marriage life. Marriage is booked in heavens is what they say. God decides who will be the partner of whom, and there is no way that outside influence can break this bondage. And when you seem that there is some sort of toxic disturbance in your married life, then it is high time that you be cautious about it. Save your marriage life are what we always advise to married couples. There might be many distractions from the external world, but a determined life with principles can really make you lead a peaceful life. Toxic in people or marriage activity is not a new word. It is there in ages and generations. Gone are the days when you find domestic violence and abusive behavior in married life, but we don't neglect the fact that it is not happening and completely removed. Statistics shows that there are still instances and places where abuse is still being practiced. What are those key warning signs or things which can tell you that your marriage life is in the stage of toxic relationship? Questioning the self-esteem of partners. You will push in a corner of their life and you will not know what to do. You will be so much cornered and left alone that you think you can't get up and stand. In the stage, the abuse partner happens and they question your self-esteem. Questioning the words which you say and stage of single-handedness. There will be situation in life where everything is about others and no one will care for you. In this stage, you will not have any forms of two-way communication or conservation. All that happens in your life will be single-minded and you will be out of focus. Stage of signs of end time for your happiness. You will find that all happens good to you will be cherished by you alone and there will not be anyone to compliment you. By this, your happiness will be completely lost. Stage of stopping you grow and treasure in your life. The stage will be very hard to take in life. Here the abuse levels will be very extreme and they will not allow you to grow in the world. Stage of complete misunderstanding. They completely mismatch what you say and try to create problems out of it. In this stage, you will be abused to the core and you realize that you should never open your mouth. The above signs are really happening in today's world, and if you come across any of those, then please start evaluating your relationship. Always remember that God has made the humans to be together to share love and joy. He has created us to live the world happily and to help each other. He has created this beautiful thing called marriage to bond humans. But when there are situations where these beautiful creators of God change toxic, and the best advice from God is that to stay and move from these people.